The ingredient of the month is pumpkin, and we're going to use this to prepare a pasta sauce with bacon, Parmigiano Reggiano, parsley, rosemary, garlic, and finish with traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena. Let's see how to chop the pumpkin in small cubes. You can use the bits and boil them with some onion and a bit of water, of course, and to have the pumpkin puree. Once we have the pumpkin cubes and the pumpkin puree, we're going to prepare the bacon sliced and mince herbs and garlic. When the water is boiling, we add salt. We can drop pasta, and we can start prepare the sauce. Extra virgin olive oil, bacon first. When the bacon is brown, you can take it off because you don't want to burn it, and start cooking the pumpkin. After a couple of minutes, we can add the bacon and keep cooking for a few minutes more. If it's necessary, we can add some more water and the pumpkin puree. Now we can add the garlic and herbs mix, and the sauce is ready, waiting for the pasta. Now the pasta is ready. Olive oil, fresh black pepper, let's serve the pasta. Finish with some Parmigiano Reggiano. The final touch is the balsamic vinegar of Modena, 25 years old. And here we have our penne with pumpkin, bacon and traditional balsamic vinegar of Modena.